look at the bed. That's why my chair I have a lot of poops. You did it? Huh? I'm talking to you. Do you poop in my chair? Hmm? I saw you there. Alright. Look at that. That's why all the birds comes. And the squirrels. They already picked a lot. They already put a lot. Oh my god, look at that. I'm gonna kill them all. Oh my god, look. There. They poke it. You put the bird nest there, it doesn't help. They still can get inside because the bottom we didn't close at all. Look at this. Oh my god. Look at this. Can you believe it? And look at this. Oh, this pepper. I can't get over this pepper. My goodness. Alright, let me pick them all. We spent the whole hour put this bird nest there. Look at that. Maybe have a little bit, but they still pot a lot. And we still lost a lot. Look, even I tie it really well. We tie it really well, but they still. Look. What? Do you want it? Come on. Come on. Come here. Let me catch you. You the pepper. Alright. Pick up those ooh. It's so ready. Can't believe it. Wow. Maybe let me try one. So sweet. And I like the juice. You even need to wash because it's organic. See this? Like the juice. I mean, how to pick this? That's not so good. Maybe too ready. I have no idea how to pick this. No, they're all like that. Whoa. Yeah, have to pick all of them. If not, those birds gonna eat. Not just the bird eat it. I saw the squirrels comes today. Well, I guess I need to use the scissors. Here, I just pick it. Gonna be like, it's open here. Not gonna save too long. So for this, I use the scissors to cut it. So not open, so like they can save more longer, like maybe 1 week if you put in the refrigerator. So I need to use this kind of the scissors to cut it. Cut it really close. Here, cut it really close. So because I'm holding the phone by myself, it's hard to cut it. So after I done to, and I